What is going on, everyone? My name is Alex. This is Redbeard Adventure, and I'm here with a super special unboxing. Before we get started, if you like gear reviews and outdoor type videos, I do videos on whatever literally is trending in my brain, so please hit the subscribe button, like this video if you're already intrigued. And this unboxing is super special, brought to you by Geared Towards Gear. Sean at that channel, I'll link it below. Super awesome dude. More to come on that here in a second. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Just kidding. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little interesting intro. So let's truly get into the unboxing. So a interesting story about this. So Sean from Geared Towards Gear, I don't know, it's been a year probably that he started his channel, and I was following him and I was kind of getting mine going, and then I've been super busy with work and school, so mine's kind of taking a back seat, and I'm trying to get back into posting regular videos if you haven't noticed. And I was talking to Sean on Instagram about, and I will link all of his handles, his Instagram and his YouTube channel down below, because he's just totally awesome person. Really can't describe how nice of a person he is. Anyway, we were chatting on Instagram, and I was talking about how I'm starting my Spyderco journey and Spyderco collection, and I was going to start with the Tenacious, and he said he had an extra one that he would send me. So I was pretty blown away by that, and super excited. So I want to make sure to really give him a shout out in this video. And those of you watching this, please go check his channel out. Like I said, the link's in the description. Show him some love, because he's a totally awesome dude. He does some great reviews and gear stuff. So Geared Towards Gear, Sean, thank you so much. He also said that he stuck a few extra things in here, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this and we will check it out. So I'm going to get this opened, and then I'm going to change the camera angle so we can see a little better after we open everything. All right. I have to open it carefully so I can put it back together, so I can do the intro that you've already seen. All right. Some professional packing here. Let's see. Well, I see right off the bat the star of the show, and I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to open that in just a second. Alright. Alright, Zebra F701. This pen is fantastic. If you don't already use it, this is one of my favorite EDC pens, and you can never have enough of them. Thank you so much, Sean. This is awesome, and will get used every single day, I guarantee. Oh, cool, a little note. It says, Alex, here's a few things I thought you might enjoy. Feel free to do with them what you please. Welcome back to YouTube. I'm looking forward to your future content, and maybe some of this will help. All the best, Sean, Geared Towards Gear. Man, thank you. Oh, sweet. All right, so I haven't got into flashlights yet. This is the i1R2 from Olight. This is a USB rechargeable, if I'm not mistaken. 150 lumens for 15 minutes, or 5 lumens for 6 hours. There's a high and a low setting, and that's awesome. I have like flashlights stashed places, like in my house and in my truck, but I don't have a flashlight that I carry all the time. So this is a keychain rechargeable. All right, that's fantastic. I'm gonna have to put that to work and then do a review. All right, Civivi Wee knife. So I I have an idea what this is. Sean's been reviewing a lot of Civivi products, and he got several, like those airplane tag, luggage tag looking things, and key tool, like a multi-tool, pry bar, bottle opener, that type of thing. I'm guessing that's what that is, but we will get into that in just a minute. A couple other things. All right, and that is it. A couple of stickers with Sean's logo. I'm gonna definitely get these on the laptop and some other places to show some support. Thanks, man. I'm telling you, you have to check out his channel if you haven't already. And then a Write in the Rain all-weather notebook. All right, sweet, thanks. That'll go with the pen for sure. All right, let's change the camera angle, unbox this stuff. I'm super excited about this Spyderco knife. So I already have one Spyderco Police. This will always be my favorite knife, no matter what. It's got sentimental value. If you saw my Spyderco review of the Police, you'll know the story behind that. But let's take a closer look at this stuff. All right, so taking a closer look at the items that Sean sent me. Fantastic. Hold on, let me get this set up so we can do some proper product placement. This video is sponsored by Geared Towards Gear. All right, Zebra F701. Let's get that open right away. So this, I've been working on a stainless EDC, and this is fantastic. I love this pen. It's a ballpoint pen and just does a fantastic job. So we'll look at this with the Write in the Rain notebook. Thank you, Sean. So fantastic, those two items. All right. What do we want to look at next? Let's open the Civivi box. Yep, that's exactly what I thought. So I'm definitely going to have to get into Civivi's after Sean's recommendation for sure. But this is the Civivi multi-tool, bottle opener, pry bar, little driver there probably. So I don't know if I'm alone in this, but I never really know what all the little holes and different things are designed to do, so I'm gonna have to do some research and find out. But I'm gonna add this to my keys for sure. Cool little multi-tool. All right. Now the O-Light. Like I said, I have never had a keychain flashlight that I EDC. I'm excited to break into that game with this light. Alright, so this one doesn't come with a USB cord, which is totally fine because everything else seems to come with a USB cord charger, so I have plenty of those laying around. So there's where the charging port is, and then screw it just a little bit for 5 lumens, and then 150, I think it was. Yep, 150, 5, and then off. Sweet! Wow, I'm shocked at how small this thing is. That is awesome. All right, now the star of the show, the Spyderco Tenacious. So I love Spyderco, like the look of them. This is the only Spyderco that I currently own, is the Police, and I've been wanting to start a Spyderco collection, but I wanted to start with more budget-friendly Spyderco. So this is a $50 knife. Sean sent it to me. Awesome, awesome. Let's get into it. All right. Product information. There's a couple different ones. So there's a black one, and then this is the silver blade. Let's see. Cool. Cool. All right. There we go. Option for 4 different clip configurations. Right now it's in tip down. I like to carry everything tip up, so I'll just flip that to this side. All right. Cool. All right, so I'll definitely put this thing to work and then come back with a full review. Let's just see size-wise, kind of how it lines up here. Shorter for sure. Man, fits in the hand really well. So, like I said, this is a more budget-friendly Spyderco knife in the $50 range. It's gonna take just a little bit of breaking in, and then this thing will be flying open before you know it. So again, can't thank you enough, Sean. Totally awesome. Super stoked to start this collection. Super stoked to put this knife to work and then report back. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be doing some full reviews of this this knife and the flashlight for sure after I put them to work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below. Please check out Sean's channel, linked in the description, and we'll see you next time.